Hi, welcome to Auto Clearing Collision Center and another one of our educational classes we like to call BodyShop 101. Today we're going to talk about deductible payment plans. What that means is that, of course, you're at an at-fault accident with SGI and you carry a $700 deductible. Well, pretty much any time the $700 might be tough to come up with. What SGI does is helps you by actually financing your deductible. And we call that a deductible payment plan. A lot of cases will refer to it as a DPP. To set that up, it's as simple as contacting SGI. And you can do that at any one of the 3 SGI claim centers. You would drive down there, have your license plate number or your claim number handy. Of course, you're going to take some banking information with you. In other words, which account you're going to want the money to come out of. So you drive down to SGI, you explain to them you want to set up a deductible payment plan. They're going to ask you a few questions, of course, take your banking information. From that stage going forward, we will therefore, instead of collecting the $700 deductible upon completion, we will collect $100 from you. And then what SGI does is they will take $60 a month for the remaining 10 months out of your bank account on the day that you choose. They will also take out on the first payment an additional $35. So basically the first month is $95 and the remaining 9 months are $60. So the total cost is $735. There's no finance or anything like that. It's simply a $35 administration fee. And it basically eliminates the pressures of coming up with a $700 deductible and making it just $100. Of course, when you set that up with SGI, they will send us over an approval copy. We prefer to have that done, of course, before the vehicle is finished. I like to say, let's get it done right away, or let's get it done when it's first booked. That way all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed and the stress is relieved. And like I said earlier, when you come and pick it up, you're gonna pay $100 instead of $700. It makes it a lot less stressful to get your vehicle fixed here at Auto Clearing Collision Center. Thanks again for watching. Please help us to share this video. Of course, like the video, and let's help everybody in learning how they can finance a deductible if it is necessary, and help with the overall completion of your repairs. And just make it a little bit more easier for you. And again, most importantly, take care out there. Thanks for watching.